Today we are doing exercise 2.4, class 7th, maths NCERT. This is question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions and classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. So in this we are required to write the reciprocal and then also classify the reciprocal as proper, improper and whole numbers. So proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is less than denominator. Improper fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator, and whole numbers you can identify easily. Now the reciprocals of 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3, 5 upon 8 is 8 upon 5. You know that in the reciprocal numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. Same as 9 upon 7, then it becomes 7 upon 9. Now the reciprocal of 6 upon 5 will be 5 upon 6. 12 upon 7 will be 7 upon 12. And 1 upon 8 we can write 8 upon 1, or it is 8. Reciprocal of 1 upon 11 will be written as 11 upon 1, or we can say it is 11. Now we are on question number 3, find out. So here 6 parts are there. Now let us solve one by one all. Now this is first part, 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So you know that divide changes to multiply, and the number on the right side of the divide become its reciprocal. तो 2 का जो reciprocal होगा वो 1 upon 2 होगा. सो 7 upon 3 मल्टीप्लाई 1 upon 2. अब 7 जो है वो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करता है और डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर से. तो 7 1 से करेगा तो 7 1 ज़ा 7, और 3 2 से करेगा तो 3 2 ज़ा 6. तो 7 upon 6 is the answer. Now this is second part, 4 upon 9 divided by 5. So 4 upon 9 divide changes to multiply and 5 become 1 upon 5. Again 4 1 ज़ा 4 and 9 5 ज़ा 45. So answer is 4 upon 45. Now third part, 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So this is 6 upon 13 multiply and 7 become 1 upon 7. 6 1 ज़ा 6 and 13 7 ज़ा 91. So answer is 6 upon 91. Now this is fourth part, 4 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 3. So it is given in whole. So first of all convert. You know that this 3 and 4 will be multiplied, and 4 and 1, then answer will be added to 1. So 3 4s are 12 and plus 1, then it is 13. 13 upon 3, and this divide changes to multiply and this 3 become 1 upon 3. So answer is 13 1s are 13 and 3 3s are 9. So 13 upon 9. Now you are able to do these types of questions. So this fifth part and sixth part do yourself. ये आप खुद करेंगे. According to question number 4th I have done. इसका जो भी 4th part किया था same. Now we are solving question number 4. In this 8 parts are there. Now we will solve one by one all. Now let us find out. This is question number 4, first part, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So again 2 upon 5 and divide changes to multiply, और the number on the right side become its reciprocal. तो 1 upon 2 का reciprocal क्या होगा? 2 upon 1. Now 2 2s are 4 and 5 ones are 5. So answer is 4 upon 5. Now this is fourth second part, 4 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 9, divide changes to multiply, and 2 upon 3 become 3 upon 2. Now here you can see the numbers are divisible, like numerator can cut denominator, and here denominator and numerator are factors or they are common. So numerator and denominators can be cut. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So answer is 2 upon 3. This is for third part, 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. Do it yourself. Now you are able to do this. Now this is fourth part of question number 4, 2 whole 3 upon 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. First of all, convert into improper. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 upon 3. Divide changes to multiply, and 3 upon 5 become 5 upon 3. Now 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. So answer is 35 upon 9. You can convert into mix also or leave it as also. This is fifth part, do yourself as question number 4 we have done. Now here 2 upon 5 and 1 whole 1 upon 2 we can write 3 upon 2, because 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Now divide changes to multiply, and this 2 upon 3 become 3 upon 2 become 2 upon 3. Now here you can see 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. So answer is 4 upon 15. Now this is seventh part. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5, and divide sign, then 3 ones are 3 and 2 5 upon 3. Now divide changes to multiply, and 5 upon 3 become 3 upon 5. So 16 3s are, now it is 48, and 5 5s are 25. So 48 upon 25 is the answer. This is last part, and you are able, now you can do it yourself. So do this eighth part yourself.